everything getting expensive these days, Microsoft Surface PCs decided not to stay behind. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your go-to tech place. As per a report by Windows Central, Microsoft has significantly increased the price across the entire Surface line products. The updated pricing has already hit the official Microsoft store, and retailers are expected to follow next. Now, the base model 15-inch Surface Laptop 7 costs $1,600, which was just $1,300 when released back in 2024. And with upgrading components, the cost balloons up further, like Laptop 7 with a Snapdragon X Elite, 64GB of RAM and 1TB of SSD now cost a whopping $3,650. And this trend has continued with the Surface Pro line of hybrid computers as well. 12-inch Surface Pro starts at $1,050 after launching at just $800. The flagship 13-inch Surface Pro cost $1,000 in 2024 and now starts at $1,500. Of course, these high prices are being blamed on AI eating up RAM, but these are the first devices that have shot up in price due to AI. Motorola recently increased rates of even its budget-friendly phones, whereas Samsung has also pushed up the cost for its Galaxy Z Fold 7. The PS5 is now much more expensive when compared to the 2020 launch price, although Sony didn't explicitly blame these increases on RAM, but rather blames continued pressures in the global economic landscape. Even Valve is unable to manufacture the Steam Deck due to the RAM shortage, and it's likely to be pushed back and the release of the Steam Machine to 2027. And with SSDs shooting up the prices too, HDDs are not far behind. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.